Hey Charles, where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we going?
We're gonna go see the hush sound!
Oh my god, no way! Oh my god!
Going on the hush sound!
Damn it, those fucking girls.
Who shot that arrow in your throat?
Who is that crimson apple? It hung heavy on the tree above your head. Oh shit.
We are going to see Sammy, and then
Who's
we're going
Sammy?
to see the hush sound.
Who's Sammy?
Sammy
Sosa.
Ew. Yeah, we're gonna see Sammy, and then we're gonna go get some food to eat because I'm trying to eat before.
I was like fiending for like Japanese food. It's so bad.
I'm sorry. We'll
Fucking
find something.
Sammy will always fuck it up, man. Fucking Sammy.
Oh
my Sam.
Fucking Sam.
Fucking Sam.
Well, as long as we get to eat before we go to the show. And yeah, so nice to meet you, right? Yeah.
I'll be high as fuck and you can be shit-faced.
You know,
Damn it, Sammy. It's all Sammy's fault.
It's always Sam's fault.
Yeah, fucking Sammy.
Where are we getting off at?
Oh shit.
I don't know, he knows.
I know everything. Don't
I'm
ever
up in
question
the
me.
city. Fuck that.
Don't ever question me. I know everything.
Everything. He knows everything.
Everything.
Well,
Everything.
shit.
Avatar, Dragon Ball Z, you never know.
I wanted some fucking Japanese food so bad.
We will get some.
It's okay, I bet you I can beat you on Lord of the Rings or Star Wars trivia.
Lord of the Rings?
I know everything about Lord of the Rings.
I'm not a big Lord of the Rings fan. Or Star Wars, to be honest.
Just kiss.
I'll beat you in Dragon Ball Z though.
Yeah, Dragon Ball Z.
Oh, of course. I'm not into anime. I like fantasy.
I'll destroy you. I'll destroy you. All of them. So.
When was the first time Harry went out?
What?
When Harry met Malfoy in the wand shop in Ollivanders.
No, wasn't it?
It was.
Was it really?
Yep. He met him. He was leaving while he went in. Malfoy was getting fitted, and then he left.
Oh, that's right. That's right.
Or no, the robes. It was Madam. What's her face's robes.
Here we go. Ooh. The sweet white red. Oh my god, look at all these people. I should have recorded that. It's an Asian. Charles, who do you love?
I love Cambodians.
Cambodians.
I love Koreans too.
Korean. Cambo-Koreans. It's like Cambo soup with Korean like barbecue.
I love everyone.
Everyone loves you. Ooh.
Hands through a sheet. Do it during 5K livers in the street. Do it. Let's do it. Let's go.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it.
And in the.
Oh my god.
Strangers walking by. This guy's handing out whole shit. In your face.
Perfect time when we just walked up.
Hello. Hello.
In your face.
In my face.
In your face.
You want a cigarette?
Oh yes, I do. I do. I
Okay.
do.
I will get you love that. I haven't
Yay!
taken a cigarette in a very long time.
Okay. You excited for tonight?
Didn't end up happening.
Yeah.
I meant to grab my.
Are you
four
excited
letters in
for
my
tonight?
backpack. Fuck yeah, I am.
Yeah. Hush out.
Get
Hey,
the
hey,
man
hey.
to focus.
I can't. Oh, I hardly can see.
It's so bad. Like,
So what's going on? Let's go see. Look, they just walking
Yeah, they're just walking away.
What's going on?
where are we going?
Why don't you guys Japan sound and head back on Van Ness and go to the musical shit?
You do it.
Let's go. Wait, how do we get?
Where are we going? Where are we going?
We're gonna take the muni then to the
Oh.
train.
Okay.
We're gonna take the train. Wait, did you guys find another bus pass or did you just drop it?
Oh no, she
Oh,
dropped
I
hers.
dropped mine apparently. I think.
Give me the Sammy Sosa.
You're Sammy Sosa now?
Currently so. I don't know. I have $2 though, so. I mean, there's sushi down here.
Sometimes I wonder.
Oh no, this is just
You really?
what's it called? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, clear.
Whoa. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't quite expecting that.
I'm sorry, did it? Everyone in the bus was like,
People's on the bus.
like vines we intertwine, like vines we intertwine.
Like the only song that's like in my head right now.
Fuck, they're smoking.
I know. It's like, jeez.
Oh, that phone with a tail.
Like, it's a dog's tail.
Oh.
Dog's tail. Wait, Sammy, tell us your story again. What? How you just ate and you knew that we're gonna come here and
I
eat.
just ate. I thought you were going to Japan Town, so I ate, and now I can't eat blondies.
So sad.
Life.
So sad. Boy's trying to holiday. Oh yeah, there we go. Work it, work it. Work it, bro. Work it, bro. That Instagram though. Hey, hit that follow button on my Instagram though.
Yeah, no? Yeah.
Just that shit right there.
Vegetarian?
That big man. Fucking vegan.
Hello.
It's like no napkins.
No
They have, like,
napkins?
they have everything you need, like salt, pepper, but no napkins.
But your legs are frozen.
I know, but they're not frozen for another piece of pizza.
Alright. What?
She's high.
She's high. You high?
Not really, that was enough to get me high.
Very true.
Yeah, I'm like,
I was just kind of like buzzed enough to food.
Well, you know.
damn, look at this. What a fucking waste.
I'm fucking up.
Way to go, Chels.
Fucking up with that pizza. I'm like,
Hey,
no. And then he's like, no, you have an Instagram. I'm like, okay, yeah, I have an Instagram. He's like, yeah, follow me. I'll follow you back. And then I'm like, okay. Shut the fuck up, bro.
Follow me on that Instagram though. Hey, you
Instagram,
didn't.
though.
Hey, you didn't hit
Oh,
that follow
I'm following you
button.
on Instagram. Yeah, just follow me back that way.
Look at your eyeballs. Holy fuck.
bad.
Ooh, girl.
I can't even see my eyeballs. Like I act like I know.
Follow me on Twitter. Hey,
Fucking up his Insta.
penis gang. Down to earth.
Remember what you guys are eating?
What did you have to eat? That straw? Oh no.
I got nothing to eat. You guys are eating though.
Best.
Happy?
Look at her. Look
Right,
at
that's
her.
right now.
I just want some cheese. Hey Charles, where's the pizza? Oh. So this deaf guy comes to our table, like, and makes us trying to buy shit. And then when he leaves, these two said thank you, dude. Like,
I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it.
thank you. He was like,
I signed.
I can't hear you guys. That's funny.
It's a cute anorak. Yeah?
I like the green.
Yeah, I want to try it on.
Motherfucking rainbow.
What? No. No, too.
Cash registers are available on the main and second floors. Fitting rooms are available on the second and cellar floors.
Oh my god, Anne.
Ayo.
I really like this.
Fucking up my game, man.
Maple bacon, or is there just a piece on top?
It's
I
like,
just like a little bit sprinkles on top. Candy bacon.
it's like hella bacon.
Ooh, is that like a
Keep calm and you go kitty.
That's precious. Okay.
You can always just buy 2 dozen, so you don't have to decide on it.
I can. Don't tempt
He's
me.
trying to sell us two dozens. 2 dozens.
Okay.
Sounds like a sweet
I think
deal.
that's what I would do.
Those are the 4 that's going into our stomachs. Hey, hashtag Keiko. Oh my. God.
Holy shit.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hashtag Keiko dough. Ciao, cuz.
I have 1 sticker left.
Oh, I'll be
Make
hella
it
sad.
count.
I'll be hella sad if he got fired.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Paula just runs away.
Well, it's time for a dong bake. Don't break my heart. Say you love me again. Swerve. Swerve. Oh, fuck, this is disgusting.
So clutch.
Clutch.
So clutch.
I fucking tripped.
Yeah, he like almost ate it.
I
I
didn't
definitely
know.
did eat it almost.
Yeah, almost
Good thing
ate it.
Good thing Sammy Yoshihara was
Yoshihara, like, you know, broke the fall, right?
Fucking Sammy Yosh.
Sammy Yosh, like, broke it.
Sammy Yosh. Oh, you broke the fall.
You broke the fall for Anthony.
You broke it in the fall.
If I would have moved like a foot away, you would have.
Oh shit.
You would have eaten shit.
What, like 8
Sammy saved your fucking life.
cents for your teeth?
Is it? I don't think so either.
American made coffee.
We are here.
Bye.
Oh! You see that? It says Hello, Sam.
Sam?
Sammy.
Sam.
Oh, Sam. Where's your ticket, Sam?
Right here.
Oh, right here, Sam.
Right here.
Oh, that's very beautiful, Sam. Swagger dap.
Oh, the cream soda.
I know,
Swagger
they're so
dap.
cute
Swagger
together.
dap.
Jolie and her and I had lunch together, and then he showed up, and I hadn't seen
Really?
him since 8th grade. Fuck you. And I was like, my friend.
So, what the fuck just happened?
Definitely got kicked out of the Hush Sound. Fuck that place.
What happened?
Well, you, sir, gave us both a sip of beer.
Well, you asked for
You're
it.
damn right I did, so it's definitely our fault, but like, yeah. So, they...
Oh, fuck. Hello, ladies.
Hello.
Where are we going?
We're going to, you know, some ratchet club.
Ratchet.
What can I say? I've never been there, and I'm not a big fan of clubbing, considering the first time. First time I went clubbing, it was
Look at your boots.
Wait, did it cut out?
No, but yeah, we're going clubbing to save our night. Hopefully, we can save this night. Because fuck random music hall. Fuck 'em.